is almost midnight. The new year is coming soon.
Yes, Jane. The year is ending.
Mom, can we stay awake? I want to see the fireworks.
Yes, Adam. Today is special.
Mommy, what is that sound?
Those are fireworks, Lily. They light up the sky.
Fireworks are loud.
Yes, they are loud, but they are also beautiful.
Look, Dad, the sky is full of colors.
I see red, blue, and gold lights.
I like the shiny ones.
Fireworks are a way to say goodbye. We say goodbye to the old year.
Why do people use fireworks?
People use fireworks to celebrate. They feel happy and excited.
Are we happy too?
Yes, Lily, we are happy and thankful.
Let's count together.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, my family!
The new year has started. The new year has started.
Mom, the fireworks are over.
Yes, Adam. Now it is quiet.
The night feels calm again.
I feel sleepy.
That's okay, Lily. It is late.
I feel happy inside.
Me too. This moment feels warm.
Let's go to bed now. Tomorrow is a new day.
Good morning, Max. Happy New Year.
Good morning, Jane. Happy New Year to you.
The sun is shining. It feels like a fresh start.
Mom, Dad! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, Adam.
Mommy, is it still New Year?
Yes, Lily. Today is New Year's Day.
Happy New Year again!
Happy New Year, my love.
This morning feels peaceful.
Yes, there is no rush. Max, would you like some tea?
Yes, please. Tea feels good today.
Mom, can I help?
Yes, Adam. Bring the cups.
I want to help too!
You can bring the spoons.
Mom, why do people celebrate New Year?
They celebrate a new start. They feel hope.
A new year means new chances.
Can I start new?
Yes, Lily. Every day is a new start. Let's make breakfast together.
That sounds nice.
Can we eat pancakes?
Yes, pancakes are perfect today.
I love pancakes!
I know.
Mom, can I help cook?
Yes, be careful.
The kitchen smells good.
Cooking together feels happy.
Mom, I like New Year.
I like it too.
It feels special.
Yes, it feels hopeful.
Daddy, can I have more?
Yes, Lily. Eat slowly.
Mom, will this year be good?
We will try our best.
A good year starts with good thoughts.
What is a New Year promise?
It is a small goal.
It helps us grow.
I will read every day.
That is a good promise.
I will smile.
Smiling is beautiful.
I will spend more time with family.
I will stay calm and thankful. Promises do not have to be big.
Even small ones matter?
Yes, small steps make big changes.
Can I make another promise?
Of course.
I will help others.
That is very kind.
What if we forget our promise?
That is okay. We can try again.
Every day?
Every day is a new chance.
I like that.
When we try our best, we grow inside.
My heart feels happy.
A happy heart is a wonderful gift.
This year will be good.
It can be if we care and try. Let us welcome the new year with hope.
Yes!
With kindness, patience, and smiles. The day is ending now.
It was a peaceful start.
I feel happy.
I feel thankful.
Happy New Year again!
Happy New Year, Lily.
Happy New Year, my family.
Thank you for listening. Keep learning English slowly. We wish you a Happy New Year.
Thank you for spending your time with us today. If this story helped you feel calm and happy, please like this video. Subscribe to our channel to learn English slowly and clearly, one step at a time. You can watch with your family, practice speaking together, and repeat the sentences after us. Tell us in the comments, what is your New Year promise? We would love to read it. Do not forget to share this video with someone who is learning English. We will see you again in our next peaceful English story. Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and have a wonderful New Year!